Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare public figure strategies versus Taylor Swift's approach. We'll explore how traditional public figures navigate their careers and contrast that with Taylor Swift's innovative methods. Understanding these differences can offer valuable insights into modern celebrity management. Get ready to dive into a full comparison of their distinct paths to success and influence. Traditional public figures often build their careers through established channels, focusing on broad appeal and media appearances. They typically maintain a degree of separation between their public and private lives, carefully curating their image. Their long-term success often hinges on consistent visibility and adherence to industry norms, aiming for a wide, general audience rather than intense, niche engagement. Taylor Swift's strategy is notably different, emphasizing direct, personal connections with her fanbase. She masterfully weaves personal experiences into her art, fostering an incredibly loyal community. Her career moves, like re-recording albums, are often designed to empower her and her fans, creating a powerful, almost familial bond that transcends typical celebrity fan dynamics. This approach has yielded immense success. The impact of Taylor Swift's approach is undeniable, setting new benchmarks for artist-fan relationships and career control. Her methods are increasingly influencing how emerging public figures and artists manage their careers, highlighting the power of authenticity and direct engagement. This shift suggests a future where personal connection is paramount. Check the description for a link to these amazing meal prep containers and other great deals. Understanding these evolving strategies is key to navigating the modern entertainment landscape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.